Naghahanap ka ba ng mura pero private villa the summer outing ng family or friends mo? Kulayan na natin yan! Kauna-unahang A-frame cabin in Binangon, Rizal, and for as low as 550 pesos per pax if 10 pax kayo. Tara! Welcome to The Cabin by Gianna. Located nga pala sila dito sa Sitio Samasa, Barangay Pila-Pila, Binangonan, Rizal. Ayan, itour ko na nga kayo. Meron silang fully air-conditioned A-frame cabin with 1 bedroom and loft-type sleeping area that can accommodate up to 15 packs. Yes, opo, 15 packs. Kasyang-kasya tayo dyan. With smart TV din sila and Netflix ready with fast internet connection kaya pwedeng-pwede sa mga naka-work from home. Complete kitchenwares din sila and dining utensils na libreng gamitin. Meron din tayong refrigerator and microwave that you can use for free. And here naman is yung common toilet and bath nila with hot and cold shower. In fairness, malinis at mabango yung CR nila. Perfect view din dito ang sunset and sunrise dahil meron silang open area sa second floor. At syempre makakalimutan ba natin ang malinis at maaliwalas na swimming pool na talaga namang saktong-sakto ngayong mainit na panahon. Meron din pala silang outdoor dirty kitchen kung saan pwede tayong magluto and take note, malawak ang kanilang parking area. And here's the night view. Pwede din tayong mag-bonfire and meron din tayong big white projector screen na pwedeng mag-movie marathon or videoke naman hanggang 10 p.m. And that's it guys. For booking and inquiries, just message the Cabin by Gianna's official Facebook page. Thank you for watching guys. Till our next adventure.